My name is Gabrielle, and this is my mom, Ayana.
Hi.
And I surprised her with this workshop, and I'm so thankful that we were able to join, and it was beautiful and relaxing. How did you feel when you got
It was
to
a surprise
figure
for
out
me.
what it was?
It was a surprise. I walked in and saw a lot of beautiful ladies, beautiful flowers, beautiful scents, and had a wonderful time. It's kind of a pre-Mother's Day gift, I guess, for me, right?
This was
Yeah.
Mother's Day.
Well, next week, but anyway. But it was wonderful. I enjoyed the camaraderie, the fellowship, the flower arranging. I don't know how good I am at it, but it was fun. And
Yeah.
I love the watercolor painting. We had a great time.
Very soothing, and we can't wait to do it again.
Yeah.
So today for me to be able to share this moment of flower making and doing a magical painting and drinking the teas was just really magical. I really enjoyed it with all the ladies, but especially having my daughter here to be able to have just to share this moment with her has just been absolutely fantastic.
Yes, I thought it was really fun, and I had fun like doing this stuff because I wouldn't like do this in my free time, so it was nice doing this.